Hello world, this is RandomFIX, and today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Audi remote. This happens to be one of the intelligent keys from a 2013 Audi A7, and it's very simple. And let me show you guys how to do this. And the best part about this is you normally don't need any tools. And we're going to go ahead and begin off with removing our blade out of here, our emergency key, which comes out just like that. And if you look in here, you're going to see this part right here sticking out, and this might be a little hard, but don't use any tools or anything to get this out. Hold the key head in your hand here, take your other hand and just slowly push down on this button right here and pry back, and you're going to see the key coming out slowly. There's a really tight rubber seal here, and it's going to come apart. And we're going to be replacing this battery right here, and this is it right here. We have a CR2032. I'll have a link to the battery in the description box below, but I'm going to be replacing this battery. So let me grab a new battery. Alright, so I got my new battery here. I'm going to be replacing it. You want to go ahead and just put it in just like that, slide it in, don't push it in from the top down, and we're going to be reinstalling it the same exact way. And you just want to take your time when you're doing this, nice and gently. Go ahead and just press in here, and you don't want to use any tools while you're doing this. And now take your blade and reinsert it, and you can see the LED indicator is working right there. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.